In order to solve this limit equation, you have to rationalize the denominator. As you can see, there's a square root here. So in order to rationalize this fraction, you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this denominator, which is basically 3 plus square root of x plus 9. I'm going to do it up and down. So let's do it. 3 plus square root of x plus 9 divided by 3. And here's the plus one, the conjugate. And by taking a look at this, it seems quite familiar for you. It reminds us of the difference between two square roots. Same value here, 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 and here, just different signs. So we're gonna just square this, square that, and keep the negative sign or the minus. So we can just cancel all that and do 9 minus root x plus 9 square. This is for the denominator, and we're gonna just keep the numerator as it is, divided by this value squared. So let's just solve the denominator here. Power will just remove this square root, so it's 9 minus x plus 9, and as you know, the minus just changes signs, so it's 9 minus x minus 9, and the 9's will cancel, so the remaining is negative x for the denominator. And we're just gonna put the numerator as it is. So let's do it here. X 3 plus root x plus 9 divided by negative x. And you can just cancel the x, and the remaining is 3 plus square root of x plus 9 divided by negative 1. Let's take a look at the equation here. It says x tends to 0, so let's compensate. 0 plus 9 over negative 1. You can just, instead of putting um, denominator as negative 1, you can just put a negative sign for that fraction and remove this. So it's going to be like that. The minus will change the sign. So the answer is going to be negative 6.